In this section, we will discuss how to install the Cyfox agent using a script. You will need two files, an installation script and an installation MSI file. To install using these files, use the installation script with the following parameters: MSI path, full path to the MSI file. It must exist. Log path, full path to the log file. The directory must exist, but the file itself may not exist. Server address must be in either IPv4 or IPv6 format. If it is a cloud configuration, run the ping command in the CMD window to cloud.cyfox.com and use the IP address. If it is an on-premises configuration, use the IP address of the server. Activation key and license, both may be empty strings, but must be included in the arguments. Password, must be either alphanumeric characters or none for installing the agent without a password. Agent mode, must be either 1 for sensor mode or 2 for EDR mode. Machine type, must be either 1 for server or 2 for endpoint. Next, copy the command and run the script in CMD with administrator privileges. After that, you will see the Cyfox icon in this Show Hidden Icons area, indicating that the agent has connected to cloud.cyfox.com. Additionally, you can save the TXT file as a batch file so that organizations can distribute the installation script via group policy.